Okay, here we are back.
So we had talked about everything we consume is information. So if we're talking specifically about food, consuming food, my question is about eating meat. If the animal was not cared for nicely due to the meat industry, but we are breatharians, so we don't have limits and we don't have boxes. When we are consuming meat from an animal who led a very sad life, what do you think about that?
Regarding that, regarding the sadness of the meat industry and eating animals and their sad life and low vibration and not being wild animals with much more life force energy inside. So that principle you can apply to anything. You can apply to a fruit tree that every year since he has been grown from the earth by humans, he could not survive alone. He's taken care of, and every year humans are cutting the branches and stealing the fruits of the tree, so the tree cannot reproduce. So the same sadness that you see on the animals, you can see in all the decoration, on all the products. But Bracerianism is not about that. Bracerianism is about entering again the true field of life inside of you. So it's to reactivate your source of energy. And it is always working, but to feel it and to play around with it and to use your Pri, your Pran, your Chi, and to use your energy as the way it should be used. Any type of solid food, you can apply the same principle to meat or to fruit, it's the same. But what is important is who you are and what do you refer to. If you know that you are a Bracerian and that your life force energy is what is the most important, you are the first ingredient. And so all the rest becomes secondary. But if your life is about following your habits, following your patterns, following your loops, keeping on whatever you have been taught and educated to do, you keep it the same without even changing the way you consume, you're going to live an artificial life. It's not going to be the true life from what the supreme life force energy has designed you for, to be completely autonomous and free. Yes?